everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1970 Dodge Challenger True RT car, guys. 600 miles on a Rotisserie Restoration. Love this car, man. It drives out awesome. They put aftermarket vintage AC on the car. It's got a great sounding 440. Love the color combination with that B5 blue, the white RT stripe, black vinyl top, black interior. I love this car, man. This car's got a great look. Like I say, fun to drive. I love the shaker hood. That just changes the whole appearance, in my opinion, on these cars. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with 15-inch Mopar Rallies. Car's out of South Carolina, and my good buddy of mine, who's actually a real Mopar guy out of North Carolina, is when he found me this car, and he described it to a T, man. Just a killer car. Turn the key, point the direction, and go. Like I say, just a killer Challenger. Again, love the shaker hood. It is a real RT car. It was originally a 3-3 car, and it's got a 440 in it now. Mild cam to it, so it's got a great sound, but really cool car, man. Paint slick on it. The chrome and stainless is really nice. And it's got just 605, I think, is the miles on the car now, and that's the miles on the Rotisserie Restoration. They said it was done 4 or 5 years ago. The guy just didn't drive it much, which been there, done that. I got 140 miles on my car in the last 2 years, so I know exactly how that goes. Love that shaker hood. It was added to the car, steel shaker, dual sport mirrors, vinyl top was replaced. That's all brand new. Sorry, it's just a little fuzzy or something sticking to it. This car's just got a beautiful look to it. Love the going. The stance is good. And then it drives beautiful. A little 3000 stall in the trans, so it'll scoot. Unfortunately, we don't get to jump on it today. We have members of our police force running radar down the street, so we're gonna have to be good boys today when it takes off. It's got the correct RT tips with the RT rear valence. Blemish there. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. I think they're 245s and 235s. Power front disc brakes. You can see it's got a fret. It's a 71 block, 440 Edelbrock 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Like I say, nice little cam. They've stepped up the cam a little bit. They've added vintage air blows ice cold, power steering, power disc brakes, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans with a 3000 stall. For me to see, am I getting this thing? There we go. Fender tags on there. And you look at the wheel, yeah, and it's how they did this rotisserie is a little bit different too. Like the wheel wells, the whole front subframe is all body color. They put frame ties on it and that stuff. They did body color. The floor pans they actually did in a black that I guess is so it doesn't chip or something. I've seen that before. I know people complain that when cars are body color underneath they chip. So everybody's different, man. Everybody's a little different. I think that'll come off. That's a little wax, I think. car, man. It actually has the SE front leather seats in it too. The fronts are leather, backs are vinyl. New carpet. I have new floor mats on the way. Again, these are leather seats. A little rub on your bead there. It's got the factory Rallye dash in it. Headliner's nice. 606 on the odometer now. Tach and gauges work, aftermarket radio, dash pad's nice. Of course, bucket seats, got the wood grain console with a slap stick shifter. It's got the upgraded vintage controls on it for the AC. Dual exhaust. Again, it does have frame ties. 8 3/4, 323 rear end. Pretty much bone stock with that. They put new quarters on both sides, did a nice job. You can see it's all body color like it should be. Very nice underneath, clean as can be. It's just a nice car. And like I say, man, you get in it and drive it, it is a pleasure to drive. I have a ton of cool stuff. Of course, I already sold a couple this morning, but you're watching out for our website. We got some really cool stuff that's hard for me to find right now. Shaker hood Challengers, got Cuda, and I've got some cool stuff coming. Just bought a couple of trucks the other day that are coming. So make sure you keep track of that website too. I try to remind you this often. I own all my own inventory. My dad started this place in '78. I don't do consignment. I don't buy anything that I wouldn't park in my own driveway, guys. So I'm limited as to what I will buy. You know, I don't just don't buy anything. A guy wanted to trade a car this morning. I told him that it just wasn't me. Sounds weird, but I'd like to buy what I like. Again, dual sport mirrors, roof cam too, you can hear it. Turn your air on, air blows ice cold. I'm sure that's from sitting. That's great. That shaker hood changes to me the whole look of these cars. I think they make the challenge just look wicked. Tach works, all your gauges are working in there, hold good oil pressure. No on the, oh, the clock does work. Clock works, heck, I didn't even know that. Radio works. Oh, tin can Mopar doors. Love the tail lights at 70. Radio works, blower motor and everything. It's all new vintage AC stuff. They make great units. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. Will the wipers not park, Nathan? The wipers park? Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Remember, you got your officer down the street. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us. Good look to it. I love the gold wing. I love that white stripe down the side up against that B5 blue. Of course, that shaker hood is just a game changer. They look great. The bottom's just as clean as the top, guys. put mirrors on at a car show. As soon as you get the clearing, everyone comes flying out of Kroger.